Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all safe and you are staying at home. Today, let us fun with social. Today our topic is about stars and satellites. Stars and satellites. Stars and satellites. So before going to the topic, let us recall what we learned previously. What we learned? We learned about planets and solar system. What is the solar system? A set of planets and other heavenly bodies revolves around a star is a planetary system. Our planetary system is a solar system. So, solar system consists of 8 planets and other heavenly bodies. Now you got it? How many planets are there? 8 planets. First planet is Mercury. It is the closest to the sun, and Venus is the second planet. It is the hottest planet. Earth is our planet, which has life on it, and Mars is a red planet, and Jupiter is the biggest planet, and it is the 5th planet, and Saturn is the 6th planet. It has beautiful rings on it, and Uranus and Neptune are 7th and 8th planets. On these planets, fast storms blow here. This is all about solar system. We learned this previously, and now we are go with stars and sun. Now we are going to know about stars and satellites. Where can we see stars? We can see the stars in night sky. So stars are very tiny objects in the space. What is space? Space is a place beyond our earth where the moon and other stars are. Okay, so that is space. So we can see the stars in the space. Stars are very big in size. They are very hottest objects in the space. They have their own light. Planets are very cold objects. They do not have their own light. Planets do not have their own light. Satellites also, they do not have their own light. But stars have their own light. Okay, this is all about stars. So we get light and heat from stars. Our sun is a star. We get light from star. That sun. So many stars are there. So some of them are even bigger than our sun. Okay, now we are going to learn about satellites. There are 2 types of satellites. One is natural satellite and other is artificial satellite. Natural satellite. And artificial satellite. So what I said, satellite doesn't has its own light. Only stars have light, their own light. Here there are natural satellites and artificial satellites. The moon is the only planet. The moon is the natural satellite of our earth. So it is moon. We can see the moon at night. In night sky there is a moon. It is the natural satellite of our earth. Okay. It doesn't have its own light. Just it reflects the star's light on earth. Understood? I will show you one. For example, I will show you one activity. think as it is moon and it is sun or star. What I said, stars have their own light. I said moon doesn't has its own light. Okay, there is no light on this, but star has its light. When I point torch at this mirror, you will see the light on the mirror. Yes, it is not mirror's light. Yes or no? So the light from the torch is seen in the mirror. That is so we prove that the moon has no light on its own. Only it reflects the sun's light on earth. Okay. So now I will give you the names of the planets on this. You have to write it 5 times. And what are artificial? Next we will go like that. And what are artificial satellites? Artificial satellites are man-made objects. These are man-made objects. So these artificial satellites are made by man. We launch this into the space with the help of a rocket. They help us to communicate what is happening, and we made these satellites to revolve the earth or other heavenly bodies. Okay, artificial satellites are man-made satellites. We used to send into the space with the help of rockets, and they revolve around earth or other bodies to collect the information. They give some important information from the space. Okay, this is all about artificial and natural satellites, and I think you could understand. Okay children, you have to write these planets names 3 times at home. First planet is planets names. Names of the planets. First one, Mercury. Venus. Third planet is Earth. Fourth planet is Mars, and fifth planet is Jupiter, biggest planet, and sixth planet is Saturn, and seventh planet is Neptune, and eighth planet is Uranus. Seventh planet is Uranus and Neptune. You have to write this. Read and write 3 times. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. Okay children, thank you.